Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with X Sums number 7 by TinkerTroy. This is a debut from TinkerTroy, so thank you for joining the setting team. So what are the rules? We have a normal 6x6 Sudoku rule, so in every row, every column, and every 2x3 box, we're placing the digits 1 to 6 exactly once each. I'm going to go over the X sums next, because you've probably done those before. So X sums, this is a sum, so like the 9 is the sum. And what you do is you look at the digit that's right next to the clue. So the digit that goes in this cell here, that's a 3. That's the number of digits that you're going to include in the sum. So these 3 digits get included. Let's mark those in green. And then you need to make them add to 9. So for example, we could do, well, not gray and white. We could do 2 and 4. Oops. So 2, 3, 4 does add to 9. So that would be one way to fill this 9 clue, but maybe not the only way. All right, so those are X sums. Additionally, No7. So orthogonally connected cells. So orthogonally connected means cells that share an edge. So for this green cell, these purple cells are the orthogonally connected ones, not the diagonal ones that share just a corner, just the purple ones that share the border. So orthogonally connected cells may not sum to 7, so that means if I do 1, 6 here, that's bad. I've broken the puzzle. Bad, 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 because those sum to 7. You can't do that anywhere. Nowhere in the whole grid. All right, so those are the rules. Definitely, I recommend you give the puzzle a try yourself. The link's in the description, and I'm going to get started right now. All right, so this can't be a 2, because then this would have to be a 7. There's no 7 in the grid, so this is at least 3. Now, 4 is actually too big, because if this was 4, then I'd have to have 4 cells summing to 9. The minimum is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a 3 only. And then these two sum to 6. So we could do 1, 6, or we could do, sorry, summing to 6 would be 1, 5, or 2, 4. That's why I was confused. I don't think there's anything about, we don't have to avoid 7s. Okay, this can't be a 4, because we can't add to 7. So this isn't a 4, that's not a 2. That's what we have to avoid. 10, definitely can't do 2, 8. We could do a 3, and we could do a 4, but that's it. 5 would be way too many. Again, 9 must be a 3, so that does end up 4, which means that this is a 1, 2, 3 triple, and this can't be a 3. So if this is 1, 2, this is 4, 5, but it can't be a 4 again. So this is 5 and 1, so that adds to 9. These are not 1s. This is going to be a pair, so this is 5 and 6. So adding to 6, we could do 2, 4. And I can actually fill the 4 here because we are going to use at least 2 of these. With 3, this would be a 1 or a 2. So with 3, we do 1, 2, 3, and then that's all we get. Okay. There's just 2 digits left in this box, a 2 and a 6. And I don't think there's any danger of adding to 7 here. We have to avoid 1, 6, 2, 5, and 3, 4. So, okay. So what's next? Those are basically the X sum clues. Oh, this row, where does 6 go? Nice, because the 5, 6 pair keeps it out of here. And none of these can be 6. So this is the 6, and that's the 5. 6 can't be next to 1. 5 can't be next to 2. So that goes like that. This can't be 2, 4. So that's 1, 5 now, which means this is a 4. I'm just looking for adding to 7s here. This is a 4. 4 can't be next to 3. 2 can't be next to 5. That's a 1. Okay, so now we just do the roping triples. This is 2, 4, 6. This is 2, 4, 6. This is 1, 3, 5. Wow, are these all 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 6s? That's pretty funny. Maybe it's forced, just like non-consecutive is forced to do that. That would be interesting. Just cleaning up the adjacents here. So that's a 3. So that can't be 4. That's a 3. That can't be 4. Next to a 3, so that can't be 4. Wonder how many times I'm going to say it can't be 4. No more times, because we have all the 4s now. 2, 5 is bad. And we're done. Nice, correct solution. Nice and quick. Thanks, TinkerTroy. Really cool idea. Yeah, it ended up being similar roping as what non-consecutive force is, where you have evens and odds switching back and forth. So that's kind of interesting. I do wonder if that's forced. But either way, this was a cool use of the X sums and the No7 rule. So thank you very much. And of course, if you enjoyed this content, then why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.